A puzzle is a game of problem, or toy that tests a person's ingenuity or knowledge. In a puzzle, one is required to put pieces together in a logical way, in order to arrive at the correct solution of the puzzle. There are different types of puzzles for different ages, such as crossword puzzles, word search puzzles, number puzzles, or logic puzzles. Puzzles are often devised as a form of entertainment, but they can also arise from serious mathematical or logistical problems. In such cases, the solution may be a significant contribution to mathematical research. Solutions of puzzles often require the recognition of patterns and the creation of a particular kind of order, sometimes not because of how complicated and diagonal the pattern can get. People with a high level of inductive reasoning aptitude may be better at solving such puzzles than others. But puzzles based upon inquiry and discovery may be solved more easily by those with good deduction skills. Deductive reasoning improves with practice. Some notable creators of puzzles are Sam Lloyd, Henry Dewdney, Boris Kordemski and, more recently, David J. Body-Combe, Will Shorts, Lloyd King, and Martin Gardner. Etymology. The 1989 edition of the Oxford English Dictionary dates the word puzzle to the end of the 16th century. Its first documented use was in a book titled The Voyage of Robert Dudley to the West Indies, 1594–95, narrated by Captain Wyatt, by himself, and by Abram Kendall, master. The word later came to be used as a noun. The word puzzle comes from pull, meaning bewilder, confound, which is a frequentive of the obsolete verb pose in the sense of perplex. The use of the word to mean a toy contrived to test one's ingenuity is relatively recent. History. Jigsaw puzzle was created around 1760, when John Spilsbury, a British engraver and cartographer, mounted a map on a sheet of wood, which he then sawed around the outline of each individual country on the map. He then used the resulting pieces as an aid to the teaching of geography. After becoming popular among the public, this kind of teaching aid remained the primary use of jigsaw puzzles until about 1820. By the early 20th century, magazines and newspapers had found that they could increase their readership by publishing puzzle contests, organizations and events. There are organizations and events that cater to puzzle enthusiasts, such as the World Puzzle Championship, the National Puzzlers League, and Raven Chase. There are also puzzle hunts, such as the Maze of Games. Types of puzzles. Puzzles can be divided into categories. For example, a maze is a type of door puzzle. Some other categories are construction puzzles, stick puzzles, tiling puzzles, transport puzzles, disentanglement puzzles, lock puzzles, folding puzzles, combination puzzles, and mechanical puzzles. A chess problem is a puzzle that uses chess pieces on a chessboard. Examples are the Knight's Tour and the Eight Queens puzzle. Jigsaw puzzles. Lateral thinking puzzles, also called situation puzzles. Mathematical puzzles include the missing square puzzle and many impossible puzzles, puzzles which have no solution, such as the 7 bridges of Königsberg, the 3 cups problem, and 3 utilities problem. Mechanical puzzles such as the Rubik's Cube and Soma Cube. Meta-puzzles are puzzles which unite elements of other puzzles. Paper and pencil puzzles such as Uncle Art's Fun Land, Connect the Dots, and Nonograms. Also the logic puzzles published by Neatly. Sudoku, Slitherlink, Kakuro, Filomeno, Hashiwo-Kakero, Hayawake, Hattori, Light Up, Masu, Number Link, Nurikabi, Ripple Effect, Shikaku, and Kuromasu. Peg solitaire. A puzzle box is a puzzle that can be used to hide something, jewelry, for instance. Rubik's Cube and other combination puzzles can be stimulating toys for children or recreational activities for adults. Sangaku. Sliding puzzles such as the 15 puzzle and jigsaw puzzles. Puzzle 3D is a three-dimensional variant of this type. Sokoban. Spot the difference. Tangram. Word puzzles, including anagrams, ciphers, crossword puzzles, hangman, and word search puzzles. Tabletop and digital word puzzles include bananagrams, boggle, bonza, dabble, letterpress, perquacky, puzzleage, quiddler, ruzzle, scrabble, upwards, word spot, and words with friends. Wheel of Fortune is a game show centered around a word puzzle. Gallery. A Rubik's Cube. A puzzle cube. A puzzle cube undone. A completed jigsaw puzzle.